Hey, so this is for any fans of Sabbath. This is Ozzy's from Ozzy's solo stuff. This is the intro to Crazy Train. Okay, so start the riff with the your index finger on the 2nd fret, bottom string, third finger's on the 4th fret of the 5th string, and then little fingers on the 5th fret. And apart from that, I don't really move my hand too much. So can't keep alternating between that bottom string and these two. So the next bit, index fingers on the 5th string, 2nd fret, little finger moves to the bottom string, 5th fret, and third finger is playing 4th fret at the bottom string.